Hello guys, and welcome to this complete web design course with WordPress and Elementor. This is brought to you by PrimerSystems and it is for beginners. This is brought to you by PrimerSystems and this course is for beginners. This is the first module of the entire course, so this is more like an introduction. So guys, if you want to learn web design and become a master, then this course is for you. If you're a beginner and you know nothing about coding, this is the course for you, because here we'll be showing you how to use WordPress and Elementor to create unique and outstanding websites. Now, this course is not for those that want to do any kind of certification on web design or web development. This course is purely for those who want to start earning money, who want to have the skill so that they can begin to use it in freelance marketplaces or to attract clients for themselves, or even start a web design agency. This course is for you. You are going to make use of this course. You are going to learn the skill and you are going to start up your agency and start making money. I am Don John and I will be the instructor all through this course from beginning till the very end. So guys, if you are ready, if you want to know how to use WordPress and to design stunning websites, then jump in and let's begin. In this video, we'll be seeing the difference between web design versus web development. Then we go ahead to learn what is WordPress and then what is Elementor. And then we are going to see the demand for web design in the marketplace. Also, we are going to see what you can do with this awesome skill that you'll be learning with WordPress. And then lastly, we are going to show you how you can grow in this business. If you're a beginner, you can join any of our communities and there you are going to meet like-minded people that will help you grow. So let's begin with this one, web design versus web development. So what's web design? All right, a web designer is simply a graphics artist who is responsible for designing the layout, for designing the usability, designing the visual appearance, as well as the user interface and user experience. So a web designer is simply an artist that puts together the interface of the website where users can interact with. A good web designer will make it easy for the users of the website to be able to navigate the website very easily without any hindrances. And they'll also consider the purpose of the website. What was this website meant for? And then they'll put the elements in places such that when a visitor comes to the website, the text, the pictures, the videos, and every other thing, the buttons will all work to achieve one goal, which is the goal of the website. So what is web development? This is a web developer who builds and maintains the core structure of a website using programming languages. So a developer is different from a designer. A developer handles the back end of the website, writes the codes, does the structure and everything, but the designer just puts in the interface to make it easy for the user to navigate. So a quick one on web development: we have the front end developer, we have the back end developer, and we have the full stack. Now, if you subscribe to this channel, in our future videos, we are going to bring you courses on web development and you are going to learn that. But the scope of this course is strictly for design and the design using WordPress and Elementor. So what is WordPress? WordPress is simply a content management system. It is a free and open source website creation platform. What this simply means is that the developers have done the heavy lifting. Now the heavy lifting has to do with the coding, has to do with the structure and every other thing on the back end. So when they are done with this, they now present you with an easy interface for you to now pick and drop, type in a few things here and there, drag elements here and there, and then you can come up with a stunning and visually appealing website for your clients. So with WordPress, you don't need to know how to write code, though writing code might be an advantage, but it's not compulsory. You can use WordPress to achieve many things without knowing how to write a single line of code. And as we will be seeing in this course, we are going to design a stunning website without writing one single line of code, and this will be made possible with WordPress. With WordPress, you can create a blog website, you can create an e-commerce website. That's where you sell things both online and offline, and then you receive payments. You can create a business website, a membership website, a portfolio website, and hey, that's for you guys, the freelancers. If you're a freelancer, you need a portfolio website, so you can actually start with this one if you're a beginner, to create yourself a stunning website that you begin to attract your clients. You can do a forum, you can do an e-learning website with an LMS, that is learning management system, and you can do any kind of website using WordPress. What then is Elementor? Elementor is a drag and drop page builder for WordPress. Elementor is a plugin. As we go further in this course, we are going to learn about plugins. So it is a plugin that you install into WordPress, and it gives it an additional functionality of drag and drop. So here you can simply drag and drop elements, and then you can customize the website anyhow you want it. Elementor is one of the most widely used page builders for WordPress. Now we are going to take a look at the demand for web design in the marketplace. So we'll be examining Google, we'll be looking at Gemini, which is the AI tool for Google, and then we are also going to look at Fiverr to see how many people demand these skills. First up, let's take a look at Google. I'll be typing in here demand for WordPress. So let's see what goes on. Here is the result page, and you can see these are keyword demand for WordPress. The first website here says demand for WordPress is up 11.3% in 2023. Okay guys, so that's just 2023, and now we are in 2024. Scrolling down, we see from Coursera, and Coursera is an online course selling giant. So they're saying here, according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of web developers and digital designers is expected to grow 16%. So guys, you can see this, that it is expected to grow. And look at this, is 23rd of February 2024. That's when they are doing this write-up, and then they are quoting a very reliable body here. So you can see that the demand for designers and developers is actually on the rise. Then we scroll down further. Here you can see from Team Cubate, it says the future of WordPress development. Then it goes ahead to say the demand for skilled WordPress developer is at an all-time high, whether it's freelance work, full-time employment, or even specialized roles. So guys, this is the future. So guys, this is one of the best things you are going to do, to go through this course and to acquire this knowledge. And that is just one of the ways we wanted to prove how the demand of WordPress is increasing. So let's go to the second one, and that is Germany. I'll click on this place to open a new tab, and here I'll type in Germany. So guys, this is Germany, and I'm going to come to where I'm going to type in the prompt. I'll ask Germany, is the demand for WordPress web designers on the increase? So guys, this is the prompt. I'll just come here and click on submit. Alright guys, so this is it. Is the demand for WordPress designers on the increase? Now this is Gemini. Gemini is an AI tool that has a lot of information at its disposal. So this is it. Yes, the demand for WordPress designers is on the rise. Here's why. And it goes ahead to give you these reasons. 1, WordPress popularity. 2, growing need for online presence. And lastly, evolving needs. So guys, that is the second confirmation that you have just taken one of the best decisions to learn this skill, because WordPress designers are actually in hot demand right now. The third place for us to confirm this is to go to Fiverr. That is where we have one of the biggest freelance marketplaces for web designers and web developers. So I'll just type in Fiverr and I'll open the website. Okay guys, this is Fiverr, and it says here search for any service. I'm going to type in here WordPress web designer. Alright, so we've seen it here, WordPress web design. I'll click on it and click on search. Okay guys, we can see here 140,000 plus results. That means that so many people are offering this service on Fiverr, right? But that's not what we want to see. We want to see the demand, the people that are using these services. So let's scroll down a bit. Okay guys, these are the people offering these services on Fiverr. So I'll scroll down a bit, and here you can see M. Osman. It's rated 4.9 by over 1k people. So you can see this guy has really done a lot of jobs, and you can see his website starts from $300. So let's open up this in a new tab. So this is his profile, and what I'm interested in here is you can see M. Osman currently has 8 others in queue. That is people that are queuing up for him to build websites for. Okay, so despite the fact that his basic website starts from $300, he still has people waiting in queue for him to do the job. So if you come over to his gigs, his pricing here, the standard $750, and then the premium $950. So this guy is charging close to $1,000 for one website, and look at what people are paying for. 10 pages website, standard package, SEO friendly, 30 days free support. I mean, guys, this is just what you can do to make money on Fiverr. You can see here $950. That's what he's charging just to build 10 pages of websites. So let's go back to Fiverr. We are still trying to see the demand. This is another top seller. This is level 2. So let me open this up in a new tab. Right here you can see this level 2 seller has 9 orders in queue. So guys, there's no limit to what you can achieve when you have the skill. This skill is in high demand. People are getting their businesses online. People are getting their portfolio websites. People just want to be online because that is where people are going to search for services right now. So guys, with these three places, you can see that there is a hot demand for WordPress web designer. So if you know what you are doing, by the end of this course, you jump in on Fiverr and then you begin to make money. And we have also created lots and lots of courses on Fiverr. I'll be leaving the link in the description where you can go ahead and learn how to get started on Fiverr and how to build your gigs and everything you need to do to be successful so that you can start making money on Fiverr. And also, if you are new to our channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon, and also share this video so that people that need these skills can also see it and get to subscribe as well. You can also leave comment in the comment section, and then tell us what you don't understand or what you would like us to do in our future videos. So back to my slide now. We have seen the demand on Google, we have seen the demand on Germany, and we have seen the demand on Fiverr. All these three put together is a proof that this skill is still very much in demand. So let's move to the next slide. Okay guys, this is the opportunity for you to join our community. We have our Instagram page, our Twitter page, our LinkedIn page, we have TikTok, we have the YouTube channel, the one you are watching. So do well to just subscribe. We have the WhatsApp, and we also have our email. So anyone that is convenient for you, just hop on there. This is where you are going to find like-minded people. You are going to find experts in the field, and we too are also there to give you all the support you need to succeed as a freelance web designer. This will be it for this first video, like the introductory part. In the next video, we are going to build on this, and we are going to get our hands dirty pretty quickly. So guys, thank you for watching this. I'll see you in the next one.